while working on your assignment, you might have noticed that sometimes you need to add text to your drawings. You might have even intuitively used speech bubbles we know all too well from the language of comics. Maybe it sounds strange to you, but actually it is extremely important to use text, to use words, if we decide to use drawings in our teaching. We don't want to confuse our learners. We want to make communication even more clear and engaging. So, how do we best incorporate text into our drawings? It's very simple, either by speaking or by writing. Up to now in this course, you saw lots of examples of me using drawings and talking. In other words, you saw the picture emerging and listened to me explaining what it is all about, and it all made sense to you, hopefully. But imagine if you would only have seen the drawing without any explanations about it. It might have been quite confusing for you. So, how do you proceed if you want to include drawings in your teaching process, but you will not be there to explain what it is all about? For instance, if you decide to send a pre-work or homework to your students. It's very simple, then you just write. Either you write an explanation or text, or you include keywords in the drawing itself, or you decide to do both. You write a text explaining what it is all about and include keywords in the drawing. In the worksheet, Adding Text to Your Drawings, you will find lots of ideas about how to incorporate text into your drawings using text boxes or containers. The first part of your assignment is to draw a couple of times each one of these text boxes. Then you'll naturally see which text boxes you have preference for and which you like best, so that you can use them in your work. The second part of your assignment is to choose a very small part of a lesson you teach and then to try to illustrate it using people and text boxes with included keywords. I have 2 tips for you. First, really use keywords. Don't put too much text into your drawings because we want them to remain clear and understandable. And second, I have a question for you. What do you think we'd start first? With the keyword or with the text box? It doesn't come naturally to most of us, but yes, we do start with writing the keyword and then we draw the text box around it. This way we avoid the unpleasant situation where we have already drawn a text box but we're not able to fit the word into it. Don't go for the first idea. Experiment with 10-15 different ideas and then decide which one works best for you and your lesson.